In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email using HubSpot. By the end of this process, you'll be able to navigate through HubSpot's email creation features with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you want to start by accessing the user guide on HubSpot. Open your preferred web browser and type in or click on the provided link, which directs you to the HubSpot user guide. Once you're there, you'll see a comprehensive dashboard with different sections and tools available for you to explore. Next, locate the Marketing tab. This is your gateway to all marketing-related tools HubSpot has to offer. As you click on Marketing, a drop-down menu will appear showcasing a variety of options you can choose from. Here we are focusing on email marketing, so go ahead and click on the Email section. This will direct you to the Email Management Dashboard, a central hub for managing your email campaigns and templates. Now that you're in the Email section, you should see an option labeled Create Email. This is the button you'll need to start crafting a new email. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select the type of email you want to create. HubSpot offers various options, but for this guide, we'll focus on crafting a regular email. Once you select Regular, you'll be taken to the Template Selection page. At the Template Selection page, you'll notice a wide array of templates designed for different purposes and styles. HubSpot organizes these templates neatly, making it easy for you to find one that fits your needs. Click on Choose Template to begin browsing through the available designs. Remember, selecting the right template is crucial, as it sets the tone for your entire email. Consider the message you want to convey and the audience you're targeting when making your choice. Once you've chosen a template, you can start customizing it to fit your brand and message. While the specific customization steps aren't included in this video, remember that the design elements such as colors, fonts, and imagery should reflect your brand identity, which can help make your emails more engaging and impactful. So that's it. You've successfully navigated through HubSpot's platform to create a regular email. This process may seem complex at first, but with practice, you'll find it becomes second nature. Remember to always preview your email before sending it out, ensuring that everything appears as you intended. Get creative with the design, and most importantly, focus on delivering content that adds value to your recipients. Thanks for watching this guide on creating an email with HubSpot. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Happy emailing!